Greetings everyone, I'm ClarioCactus from the Furret gang here, presenting a Shiftry solo raid in rainy weather. The solo was done a few months back during the Dortmund Go Fest event in July. My team had two level 40 scissors in the front line, then a level 32 scissor and a level 32 pincer in the back line. I recorded this raid on my old phone in the middle of a mild drizzle. It was hard to swipe the screen, so please overlook the mindless tapping and lack of fancy dodges. Dodging sometimes causes inconsistencies, and you also lose the energy you can gain from tanking the charge moves of the raid boss, which gives you additional energy to fire more charge moves. Generally, cheerful raids are quite impossible to solo, but in this case, the rainy weather boost along with extremely fast Fury Cutter X-Scissor moveset exploited Shiftry's quad weakness to bugs and made this possible. The boss Shiftry had Leaf Blade. My scissors utilized the energy gained from those Leaf Blades and took out chunks of health with the weather boosted X-Scissors. Leaf Blade was the easiest moveset to attempt a solo on Shiftry. If it had Hurricane or Foul Play, the difficulty would be much higher. We hit yellow on 98. The progress was pretty steady, just the mindless, relentless slashes of heavy metallic pincers. If the Shiftry had Hurricane or Foul Play, the scissor would take at least neutral damage and wouldn't last as long as it did against Leaf Blade. It's true that X-Scissor charges extremely fast, but the Pokemons with Bug Buzz would do much heavier damage in this case. In the upcoming Generation 5, Volcarona would be a great bug type, and I'm looking forward to using that on raids. We hit red at 56. At this point, it was guaranteed that the solo would succeed. The third scissor was only at level 32, so the damage was a little less, but the Shiftry was going down all the same. Previously, it was possible to solo Shiftry without the weather boost, but the 20% HP buff made it impossible to solo without the weather after the January patch. Only a little bit left. Pincer comes out to wrap it up with two more X-Scissors, and the Shiftry goes down. Decent timer, but could be much better with a maxed Pincer and Yan Mega. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave us a like and subscribe if you want more content on Pokemon Go from us. Thank you.